Hey, it's John Paul from Inspect NB. I'm going to show you how to change a refrigerator air filter. It's in the back of the fridge. We're going to twist off. There's the filter. We're going to pull it out. There it is. Looks like this. And we've got the new one. Look for the word up there, front, so we know what faces out, faces you. Put that in. Put that back in here. Twist it back into place. See where it says replace filter? Gotta reset it. Now we've reset it. Now I'm going to order a new one, so I'll have it next time that it shows up on the fridge that I need it. Have a great day.